साथियों नमस्कार। ग्लोबल ज्ञान चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। साथियों, जेई का एग्ज़ाम अभी साउथर्न रेलवे में हुआ है और आपको पता होगा कि रेलवे डिपार्टमेंटल एग्ज़ाम के तहत चलने वाला सीरीज का आज पुनः फिर से काम किया जाएगा, क्योंकि आज से कंटिन्यू होने का प्रयास हो रही है हमारी। और पार्ट 1 अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो आप पहले इसका पार्ट 1 देख लीजिएगा। अभी से 2-3 दिन पहले अपलोड किया गया था उसको। आज पार्ट 2 हो रहा है, जो साउथर्न रेलवे में चेन्नई डिवीज़न में 25 फरवरी का एग्ज़ाम हुआ है, तो उसका ही टोटल क्वेश्चन को देखेंगे। आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 की ओर चलते हैं। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 इज कंडेमनिंग लिमिट ऑफ BLC व्हील सेट इज। ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 900 mm, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 800 mm, सी 670 mm, डी है 780 mm। देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी 780 mm. 780 mm is the correct answer. Let us come to the question number 49, and the question is, in place of empty load box, what device is used in BLC wagon? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है BSD, ऑप्शन नंबर बी है LSD, ऑप्शन नंबर सी है SDF एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी है SAB. Then answer will be option number B, LSD is the correct answer. Let us come to the question number 50, and the question is, caudal life of tank wagon is. ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 35 years, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 45 years, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 50 years and ऑप्शन नंबर डी 25 years. Then answer will be option number B 45 years. Let us come to the question number 51, and the question is, what is the condemning wheel diameter in Casna bogie of BOXN? Then option number A is 916 mm, option number B 906 mm, option number C 936 mm and option number D 963 mm. Then answer will be option number B 906 mm. Let us come to the question number 52, and the question is, what is the nominal thickness of EM pad of Casna bogie in mm? Option number A is 49, option number B 46, option number C 48 and option number D 52. Then answer will be option number B 46. साथियों, यह जूनियर इंजीनियर का जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ है उसका टोटल क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है, उसका टोटल क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर किया जा रहा है। लेट अस कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 53, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज, नॉमिनल फ्री हाइट ऑफ इनर स्प्रिंग ऑफ कैसनब 22 HS बोगी इज डैश mm. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज 261, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 252, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 243 and option number D 246. Then answer will be option number C 243. Let us come to the question number 54, and the question is, condemning dimension of friction shoes wedge block of Casna bogie is dash mm. Option number A 54, option number B 56, option number C 58 and option number D 60. Then answer will be option number A 54. Let us come to the question number 55, and the question is, in air brake end to end racks after intensive examination BPC remains valid up to option number A next station, option number B loading point, option number C destination point and option number D 72 hours. Then answer will be option number C destination point. Let us come to the question number 56, and the question is, piston stroke of BOXN wagon in empty condition is dash mm. Option number A 85 plus minus 10, option number B 70 plus minus 15, option number C 75 plus minus 5 and option number D 80 plus minus 10. Then answer will be option number A, 85 plus minus 10. Let us come to the question number 57, and the question is, in air brake stock, BPC becomes invalid if the rack is established in any examination yard beyond. Option number A, 24 hours. Option number B, 36 hours. Option number C, 48 hours. And option number D, 12 hours. Then answer will be option number A, 24 hours. Let us come to the question number 58, and the question is, what is the capacity of CR in a freight stock? Option number A, 4L. Option number B, 6L. Option number C, BL, 8L. And option number D, 10L. Then answer will be option number B, 6L. साथियों, आप रेलवे में कहीं भी जॉब कर रहे हैं, कोई भी डिवीज़न हो, कोई भी जोन्स हो, अगर आपका डिपार्टमेंटल एग्ज़ाम का प्रिपरेशन करना चाह रहे हैं, अगर डिपार्टमेंटल एग्ज़ाम देना चाहते हैं, तो यह वीडियो अवश्य देखिएगा, क्योंकि दिस वीडियो इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल डिपार्टमेंटल एग्ज़ाम फॉर रेलवे. Then let us come to the question number 59, and the question is, question number 59. A dimension in BO action wagon is dash mm. Option number A, 70. Option number B, 50. Option number C, 30. And option number D, 10. Then answer will be option number A, 70. Let us come to the question number 60, and the question is, distance between the control rod head and barrel of SAV is called. Option number A, E dimension. Option number B, C dimension. Option number C, A dimension. And option number D, D dimension. Then answer will be option number C, A dimension. Let us come to the question number 61, and the question is, during brake application, air flows from dash to dash. Option number A, AR to BC. Option number B, BP to BC. Option number C, MR to BC. Option number D, CR to BC. Then answer will be option number A, AR to BC. Let us come to the question number 62, and the question is, the SAB adjust clearance between dash and dash. Option number A है wheel and brake block. Option number B है tie rod and brake block. Option number C है anchor pin and control rod. And option number D है all the above. Then answer will be option number A, wheel and brake block. Let us come to the question number 63, and the question is, during twin pipe charging position, air pressure in AR is dash kg per centimeter square. Option number A, 6.5. Option number B, 5.8. Option number C, 6. And option number D, 5. Then answer will be option number C, 6 is the correct answer. Let us come to the question number 64, and the question is, in an empty goods rack, if E/L box is kept in loaded position, it may result in what type of failure? Option number B, A, brake binding. Option number B, poor binding. Option number C, hot axle. And option number D, none of the above. Then answer will be option number A, brake binding. Let us come to the question number 65, and the question is, broad gauge dimension used in IR is dash. Option number A, 1670 mm. Option number B, 1676 mm. Option number C, 1766 mm. And option number D, 1677 mm. Then answer will be option number B, 1676 mm. Let us come to the question number 66. And question is, which type of composite brake block is used in freight stock of under frame mounted brake system? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है के टाइप, ऑप्शन नंबर बी एल टाइप, ऑप्शन नंबर सी के एल टाइप, ऑप्शन नंबर डी modified type. Then answer will be option number B, L type. Let us come to the question number 67, and the question is, in a newly built BLC wagon, first POH will be after dash years. Option number A 4.5, option number B 2, option number C 6, and option number D 3.5. Then answer will be option number C 6 years. Let us come to the question number 68, and question is, POH periodicity of BG brake van is dash. Option number A है 3.5 years, option number B 2 years, option number C 2.5 years, and option number D 3 years. Then answer will be option number B 2 years. Let us come to the question number 69, and question is, permissible variation in wheel diameter for ICF coach in same axle in dash is dash mm. ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 0.35, ऑप्शन नंबर बी है 0.49, ऑप्शन नंबर सी है 0.48, एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी है 0.50. देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी 0.50. Let us come to the question number 70, and the question is, what is oil level in dashboard of ICF bogie? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 50 mm, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 40 mm, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 75 mm, and option number D 90 mm. Then answer will be option number B 40 mm. Let us come to the question number 71, and the question is, center pivot in ICF coach does not transmit which of the following forces? Option number A tractive, option number B braking, option number C vertical, and option number D all of the above. Then answer will be option number C vertical. Let us come to the question number 72, and the question is, what is the condemning size of side bearing piece? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 45 mm, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 44 mm, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 43 mm, एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी 42 mm. देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी 42 mm. Let us come to the question number 73, and the question is, anchor link in a ICF bogie is fitted between option number A bolster and bogie transom, option number B bolster stay rod and plank, option number C है equalizing stay and side bearer, and option number D है axle box and equalizing stay. Then answer will be option number A bolster and bogie transom. Let us come to the question number 74, and the question is, the pulling force required for alarm chain testing should be more than option number A 12 kgs, option number B 10 kgs, option number C 20 kgs, and option number D 30 kgs. Then answer will be option number B 10 kgs. Let us come to the question number 75, and the question is, in ICF coach the replacement of head stock shall be done when its thickness is below option number A 4 mm, option number B 5 mm, option number C 6 mm, and option number D 7 mm. Then answer will be option number A 4 mm. Let us come to the question number 76, and question is, what is the minimum clearance required between the lugs and safety strap bottom in a ICF bogie? Option number A 40 mm, option number B 50 mm, option number C 60 mm, and option number D 70 mm. Then answer will be option number A 40 mm. Let us come to the question number 77, and the question is, during full service brake application, reduction in BP pressure prescribed is dash kg per centimeter square. Option number A 0.5 to 0.8. Option number B 0.8 to 1. Option number C 1 to 1.5. And option number D है 1.5 to 3. Then answer will be option number C 1 to 1.5. Let us come to the question number 78, and the question is, in a ICF coach, the capacity of CR is dash liters. Option number A 6, option number B 7, option number C 9, and option number D 10. Then answer will be option number A 6. Let us come to the question number 79, and the question is, question number 79. DV in ICF coach is directly mounted on option number A BP, option number B BC, option number C AR, and option number D common pipe bracket. Then answer will be option number D common pipe bracket. Let us come to the question number 80, and question is, in a ICF coach, AR is continuously charged to dash kg per centimeter square. Option number A 5, option number B 6, option number C 3.7, and option number D 3.5. Then answer will be option number B 6. Let us come to the question number 81, and the question is, MR pressure of loco engine should be dash kg per centimeter square. Option number A है 8 to 10, option number B है 6 to 8, option number C है 4 to 6, and option number D है 12 to 15. Then answer will be option number A 8 to 10. Let us come to the question number 82, and the question is, in a ICF coach, PEAV and PEASD are connected to branch pipe of option number A FP, option number B BP, option number C BC, and option number D DV. Then answer will be option number B BP. Let us come to the question number 83, and the question is, what is the color code of B group coil spring? Option number A Oxford blue, option number B white, option number C green, and option number D yellow. Then answer will be option number A Oxford blue. Let us come to the question number 84, and the question is, wheelbase of ICF coach is dash mm. Option number A 2886, option number B 2896, option number C 2986, and option number D 2890. Then answer will be option number B 2896 mm. Let us come to the question number 85, and question is, BP pressure is dash kg per centimeter square. Option number A 5, option number B 6, option number C 3.7, and option number D 3.1. Then answer will be option number A 5. Let us come to the question number 86. And the question is, question number 86. New size of side bearing plate in ICF bogie is dash mm. Option number A 10, Option number B 9, option number C 8.5 and option number D 8. Then answer will be option number A 10. Let us come to the question number 87, and question is condemning wheel diameter for a ICF bogie is dash mm. Option number A है 915 mm, option number B 839, C है 845 and D है 825. Then answer will be option number D 825 mm. Let us come to the question number 88, and the question is what is condemning diameter in nm of BSS hanger pin. Option number A है 35, option number B 35.5, option number C 36 and option number D 36.5. Then answer will be option number B 35.5 mm. Sorry, 35.5. Let us come to the question number 89, and the question is condemning size of radius at the top of sharp flange of BGICF coach wheel is dash. Option number A है 8 mm, option number B 5 mm, option number C 10 mm and option number D 12 mm. Then answer will be option number B 5 mm. Let us come to the question number 90, and the question is what is the form number by which train examination advice or report is being communicated between SM and SSC C and W. Option number A है T409, option number B है T431, option number C है T509 and option number D है T511. Then answer will be option number B T/431. Let us come to the question number 91, and the question is maximum traveling speed in train formation of Gotwald crane is dash km/h. Option number A है 75, option number B है 100, option number C है 90 and option number D है 110. Then answer will be option number B 100. Let us come to the question number 92. And the question is the time limit for starting ART at night during a drillment is dash minute. Option number A 20, option number B 25, option number C 30 and option number D 45. Then answer will be option number D 45 minutes. Let us come to the question number 93, and question is POH cycle of 140T crane is every years dash years. Option number A 4, option number B 6, option number C 8 and option number D 10. Then answer will be option number C 8 years. Every 8 years. Let us come to the question number 94, and the question is the siren 5 long blast each of 45-second duration with 5-second break means dash during accident. Option number A yard derailment, option number B for accident requiring ART only, option number C for accident requiring ARMV by ART and option number D cancelling ART ordered. Then answer will be option number C for accident requiring ARMV by ART. Let us come to the question number 95, and the question is plasma cutting equipment is ideal for cutting which type of the following material. Option number A है stainless steel, option number B है ferrous material, option number C है non-ferrous material and option number D है both A and B. Then answer will be option number D both A and B. Let us come to the question number 96, and question is which of the following tools or equipment is available in ART. Option number A है HRE, option number B है HRD, option number C है plasma cutter and option number D है all of the above. Then answer will be option number D all of the above. Let us come to the question number 97, and the question is with respect to capital work PH41 is meant For what type of work? Option number A, workshops. Option number B, a sentry. Option number C, passenger amenities. Option number D, machinery and plants. Then answer will be option number D, machinery and plants. Let us come to the question number 98. Question is, Gottwald crane is manufactured by dash workshop. Option number A, Jamalpur. Option number B, Lucknow. Option number C, Palel. And option number D, Ambala. Then answer will be option number A, Jamalpur. Let us come to the question number 99, and the question is, twist in the P way means. Option number A, level different between two rail. Option number B, curve over a chord length. Option number C, rate of length of cross level over a given base. And option number D है rate of change of gauge per meter of track. Then answer will be option number C, rate of change of cross level over a given base. Let us come to the question number 100, and the question is, when a passenger carrying train has met with an accident, which of the following has to be ordered for movement first? Option number A, ART. Option number B, 140T. Option number C, SAPART. And option number D, none of the above. Then answer will be option number C, SAPART. SPART. Let us come to the question number 101. When is Hindi Day celebrated every year? Then answer will be option number B, 14th of September. क्योंकि 14 सितंबर 1949 को ही संविधान सभा में यह पारित किया गया था कि हमारा जो राजकीय लैंग्वेज होगा वो हिंदी होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 102 है 102. हाउ मेनी आर्टिकल आर देयर इन पार्ट 17 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 8. ऑप्शन नंबर बी है 9. ऑप्शन नंबर सी है 10. एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी है 11. देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी 9. Let us come to the question number 103. What is the official language of Arunachal Pradesh? Option number A है हिंदी, B है फ्रेंच, C है संस्कृत एंड D है इंग्लिश. देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर D, इंग्लिश. क्योंकि अरुणाचल में संस्कृत नहीं है, फ्रेंच नहीं है, हिंदी तो है नहीं, तो इंग्लिश है. आइए लेट अस कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 104. And question is, at present, how many languages are enlisted in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? Option number A है 21, B है 22, option number C है 23 and option number D है 24. Then answer will be option number B, 22. अभी तक कुल 22 भाषा ही हैं जिसमें भोजपुरी शामिल नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 105 है, which is the elementary Hindi course prescribed for central government employee? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है प्रवीण, बी है प्राज्ञ, सी है परांगत एंड डी है प्रबुद्ध. देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी, प्रबुद्ध. लेट अस कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 106 एंड क्वेश्चन इज, हु प्रिपेयर्स द एनुअल प्रोग्राम ऑन ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स, बी है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवेज, ऑप्शन नंबर सी है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर. देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर ए, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ Home Affairs. Let us come to the question number 107 and the question is, what is the target prescribed in the annual program for C region for writing noting in Hindi? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 10%, बी है 20%, सी है 30% एंड डी है 40%. देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 30%. Let us come to the question number 108 and question is, who is the chairman of Central Hindi Committee? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, बी है प्राइम मिनिस्टर, सी है होम मिनिस्टर एंड डी है मिनिस्टर ऑफ रेलवेज. देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं. लेट अस कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 109 एंड द क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आर द रेगुलर हिंदी एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्टेड इन अ ईयर? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है 2, बी है 3, सी है 4 एंड डी है 5. Then answer will be option number A, 2. Let us come to the question number 110 and this question is the last of this series. Question is, according to official language, रूल्स अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइसलैंड कम अंडर विच रीजन? ऑप्शन नंबर ए है ए, बी है बी, सी है सी, डी है डी। देन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर ए रीजन में आता है। साथियों, आपको यह वीडियो कैसा लगा जरूर बताइएगा। और यह टोटल का टोटल ऑफिशियल आंसर पब्लिश कर दिया गया है। ऑफिशियल आंसर ही मैं आप सभी को बताई हूँ। और आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक से चाहिए हमें ज़रूर अवगत करवाइएगा, और हमारी कोशिश होगी कि मैं उस टॉपिक से ही आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो दूँ, ताकि आपको अपकमिंग टाइम में जो भी आपका एग्ज़ाम है, आप एग्ज़ाम का नेम ज़रूर मेंशन करें कि आपका जूनियर इंजीनियर का एग्ज़ाम है, जेई का है, टेक्नीशियन का है, जूनियर क्लर्क, सीनियर क्लर्क, एनीथिंग, तो ज़रूर बताएं। साथियों, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।